See this guys, how people are actually earning by just creating small QR codes. You can see this. Okay, this service, and per QR code $10, $15, $10. How people are actually earning this much amount of money from these websites? Do you want to know? Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money by just creating QR code. You can see this guys, I just need to create a QR code free of cost. You can see this, I just created and just you see I just need to download it and just upload it and get these offers done. Okay, just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your QR codes. Yes guys, you will be shocked that by just creating some small services that you can provide to your customers, and you are getting paid a good amount of money by just creating QR codes. Yes guys, so how to create it guys? It's absolutely simple guys, just you need to do some clicks. Okay, so let us suppose guys our customer or our client wants us to create a QR code. Okay, so let us suppose guys, this is a particular website guys, this is a particular article factory. I have talked about this website when it comes to the PDF download sites. Okay, so I just need to copy this and just copy paste on this URL section, and this website, what it will do the customize QR codes, create a customized QR codes and able to help me to download these QR codes and sell it to my client. Okay, so how we can do it guys? You can even select customize your QR code by setting you can see this, by setting colors. You can see red color or pink color, you can see whatever colors you can select, you can able to manage these type of colors. You can see this guys. Okay, you can even create some images. Okay, I'll show you my image guys, I'll show you how to upload an image, and based upon your image you can even set up your QR code. Okay, let us suppose this is a company's owner, okay, and he wants his photo on the QR code, so you can even do that kind of thing as well, and rest of the things you can also do. Okay, so and even you can customize here. You can see this guys, you can change the boxes with these kind of patterns. Okay, you can change the boxes, you can see these frame shapes and eyeball shape. Okay, you can even create that kind of thing as well. Okay, so I just see this and just click on this generate QR code. You can see this guys, it is automatically generated, and you can see this as per my particular type. It has created a fantastic job, and it has created a QR code. You can see this fantastic job it has done, and you can able to create hundreds and hundreds of QR code. You can see this guys, you just need to click on this download button and you can download this QR code. Okay, it's absolutely free of cost guys, not a penny from your pocket is going to spend. Okay, now you are asking me a question that sir, where do we sell these QR code? Okay, so you just come up here in this people per hour guys. Okay, people per hour, you just need to type here QR code. Okay, you just need to type QR code guys. They are selling, you can see this, $10 QR, just but what they are doing, just taking a website from their client, okay, or phone number from their client, and they are generating QR codes for them. You can see this QR code, they are absolutely doing this this job greatly. You can see this great job they are doing. Okay, so it's a best way to see that how we can provide lots and lots of services. Not even this site guys. Okay, you just come up here in this fiverr.com and you can even create, you can see this, just I just need to show you QR code. Okay, and how people are actually selling. You can see this guys, this person in giving $5 services, and more than 366 people he has offered. You can see this, I will create professional QR code with using logo. Okay, you can use that logo as well guys. By logo, you just need to click on this upload button of their logo and you can create it. Okay, absolutely free of cost guys, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. All the people are doing it. Why can't you earn money online? Not even one platform, I have told you 2 platforms. Now how to create a gig. Okay, so you can see this guys, just click on this switch to selling. Okay, if you have not watched my fiverr.com how to create videos on fiverr.com, I just do recommend you to do it. Okay, just click on this share your gig, and you just need to click on this create a new gig. Okay, so you can set up this that I will create professional designing QR code. Okay, you can set up this. Okay, you can provide others. Okay, you can type the search tag as QR codes. Okay, and graphic designing. Okay, graphic designing. Okay, just click on this save and continue, and you are good to go. You can see this. Okay, it will take some time to load. So you can see this, guys, what type of services you can offer. Click on this basic package. Okay, name the package as basic, and you can say that I can provide more than 5 QR code services. Okay, so now you might ask me a question that, sir, 5 QR code services, what are these? Guys, you can see this. You just come up here, you can see this. This is just a URL part. Okay, you can create email QR code, you can create phone QR code. If someone wants to transfer a money for a PayPal account or Paytm account, whatever it is, whatever digital currency it is, you can create a phone number. You can see this. This is a phone number, random phone number I have selected. Okay, so you can generate that QR code for them. Okay, you just need to click on this create QR code, and you are good to go. And you can even create QR code for YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, locations. Okay, vCard. Okay, vCard is your virtual card that you can set up for doing the online payments. Okay, so you can provide these kind of services. Give a more detailed description on your gig. Okay, you can set up the delivery time 1 day. Okay, set the revision 1 day. Okay, and set the minimum price of $5. Okay, and just click on this save and continue button. So you just need to give a description. So I just quickly write a description for you guys. Okay, and you can also have a reference that what to write here. Okay, so guys, you can see this. I have created a small description for you. Okay, that I can create a professional QR code for companies and offer more than 10 services for QR codes to grow their business. Example, phone and email, etc. Okay, so you can see this and get a glimpse about what to write. Okay, for a gig, particular gig. Okay, so you just need to click on this save and continue. Okay, and you just need to add a question for them. Okay, question for the client. So you just need to enter here that 50% advance payment. Okay, 50% advance payment. And second is what you can offer here is that description. Okay, description of, you can see this, a description of the project. Okay, description of the project means whatever QR code they want, they need to give a description that what QR code we need to create. Okay, whether it is of website, whether it is of phone number, whether it is a YouTube channel or Twitter account. Okay, they need to give the description. So just click on this add and just click on this save and continue button. You can see, and you just need to give your gig image. Okay, so I just quickly do it, guys. So you just need to come up here and this type QR code. Okay, that we have created, and even you can do one thing, guys. You can even download your QR code in PDF format. Okay, you just need to click on this PDF, and you can see this. I have created QR code in PDF format, and what you can do, guys, here you can give your QR code in your work in this format. Okay, you can see this, guys. Okay, it is in PDF, so you can see PDF format. You can see this within few seconds it would be done. You can see this. Okay, so you just need to click on this save and continue button, and you can see this publish my gig, and you are good to go. Okay, you just need to click on this done button, and you can see this, guys. Yes, it has created successfully. Okay, So now by and by my clients will get on to this gig and see that I am offering at $5. Okay, you can even create a competition here by just offering your services at $5 and so. Okay, so that guys, there is always a healthy competition and you are getting a lots and loads of traffic. Okay, so people per hour will also offer you a good amount of opportunities where they are offering you the services, best services. Okay, so what you need to do, just need to download these QR codes and just upload it and just give it to clients within few seconds. You can do it, guys, as per the niche, as per the content. You can give multiple templates for this website and all. Okay, so that make your customers happy. Okay, satisfy your customers. I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, just need to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. And guys, if you are having any suggestions, you can write down on the comment section. Okay, what am I supposed to make videos for you guys? Okay, what type of videos, what is your profession, so that guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content. Okay, and I can also get an idea that what is my audience want from me. Okay, so that I can give you the best and the best content for you to generate a passive income by working at home. This is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.